Okay.
There. Okay, is it on? Okay. Well, welcome to the video show where we show you videos. Okay. Right now we shall, what should we put on? Let's put on the oil. Okay, the oil will, hold on. The oil will go with the plane around in circles. Backwards or forwards, Nathan?
Forwards.
Forwards, okay. Now he shall pull that lever and it'll go. And let's see what happens when it's backwards. That doesn't work out very well. You try to hook it on. Whoa. Oh no, it hit it. Oh, and it's the flyaway thingamabob. Okay, ready? Let's turn it on.
No, flyaway thingy, go there.
Okay, turn it on. Hold on.
Bye-bye.
Yay, it went off the mat. Ah! Okay. Ah! Try to get that burn off the mat.
What button?
Burn over there. This one. And then the national grabbing the propeller and hurting yourself ceremony will begin now. Okay, Nathan?
What should I do?
Keep that down. Okay. Yay! I got it. Oh. That's what happened when you go backwards again. Okay. I think we should wrap it up now.
Okay.
End of the show, whatever I said in the beginning.